Hey there! Welcome back to Notion Laboratory. If you love reading but struggle to keep track of all the books you want to read, then today's video is just for you. Say hello to the ultimate Notion reading list template. It is designed to help you organize your reading goals, track your progress, and never lose sight of your literary adventures again. From keeping tabs on your to-read list, managing your currently reading books, to celebrating the ones you've completed, this template has got you covered. And the best part? It's fully customizable to fit your reading habits and preferences, so stick around as I walk you through how to set up and make the most of this amazing reading list template. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to achieve your reading goals with style and efficiency. Let's dive in. Let's start with the bare minimum. Let's change the name of our template, icon and the cover. I found all these pictures on Pinterest and a little bit changed them. I want to add two databases to our template. The first one will be a library. This is a database where we will store all our books, information about them as author, status, did we start to read it, in progress or completed, all the dates, our ratings and other information will be there. Let's add a database as a full page, rename it as a library, and let's add an icon. And also I want to upload the same cover here. First column will be titles of our books. Next column will have names of all authors of these books. Next one is a status. We will have here to read, status, reading, and completed. To read will be set as a default. With the next three columns we will track all the progress that we make while reading the books. First one will be our current page. It's gonna be a number property. Current page. Change an icon. Next one is also a number property with all the page amounts of this book. And the next one we will have our progress bar. It's gonna be a formula. Progress. Let's say we read some book, it has like 400 pages and we already read 100 of it. In our formula we will divide our current page by all the pages. Next thing, let's change our number format to %, and let's show it as a bar, and I want to show it as a number. We will have only a bar here. So when we change amount of read pages, it will also change our progress bar. Next thing, we're gonna have a select property. We will leave a rating about book when we finish it. I want to add here stars, just basically gonna be a rate from 1 to 5 stars. And fill it, for example. Next we'll have two date properties. The first one is gonna be a start date. And the second one is the finish date. And I want to add the URL property. We will put into here a link to the website where we can buy our book or read reviews or find more information about it. Personally, I use this website when searched for new books, and let's fill our library with some information. And I want to turn off discussions and paste a picture of our book here, so we later could use it in our gallery view of this database. I want to turn off wrap colon property, and I will do the same thing with other books. Also, let's create an empty template with only an icon. I will show you later why do we need it. Let's rename it and change an icon also. Next thing, I want to add a gallery view for it. Let's turn on fit image and turn off icons for it. I also want to show here a status, and also I want to add another gallery view, do the same thing pretty much, and I only want to show here books that we currently read. So here we'll have status in progress. Let's rename it and change an icon. And I want to enable progress property here. Much better. It's all for now with this database. When we create another database for genres, we will add here a relation. Database is a full page. Here we'll have less columns. Let's fill it with genres. Let's add here a relation to our previous database. We will link it to our library and also show it. Add a relation. Let's rename our relation for now. And let's rename our database. We can add books from this database or from the previous one. Also, let's add books here. I would show you how it works. I also want to add a formula here. It's gonna be amount of books. Let's add here to number and our relation to library. Dot length, and we will have here correct amount of books. We will need it in our gallery layout. I want to add an icon to each genre. Let's show here amount of our books that we have, and also we can show all the books from our library into each genre. Let's upload a fancy picture to each genre. And we are done with this database. Let's now work on the way how our template looks. First I want to hide our databases in a toggle list. I want our template to be mostly in brown colors, and I believe motivational quote will be helpful. Let's put it like here. Let's add the most important views of our databases. First one is gonna be gallery view of books that we currently read. And I want to change here color of our progress bar. Let's go back to our library and change it. Next is gonna be a view for all our books, but with only the most important properties. Table view, library, all books. Let's hide the title, and I want to put it next to our previous view. I want to create 3 columns and put one into the first column, second here. Resize all. I want to turn off here author, page amount, rating, and also genres. Let's add here view to our genres database. Change here a name and an icon. Also, I want to add here a time widget and a to-do list. I told how to create widgets and how to tune them in my previous video. I will leave a link in the top right corner so you can easily find it and watch and find out more about all the widgets. to-do list. Let's make it bigger and make it the same color. Here is gonna be to-do list, and we can put our goals there. And it's almost done. The one more thing I wanted to do to create buttons so we could quickly add new books or show our full database with all the information here. Add new book. Actions we need to do. Add page to our library, and we will select here recently created template. And also we need to open here as a full page our library, and let's see if it works correctly. Yeah, it works fine. Created new book. The only thing you need is to add some information there. Let's change the way our button looks. And one more button, show all books. Everything works fine. And let's move our buttons here. And basically our reading list template is done. Link for the template would be in the description. You can find more great templates on this channel, so make sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.